Hey y'all, it's your girl Senegalese Princess. I'm back at again with another video. This is a video of me customizing my background. So as you can see here, I created this background right here. You can see I have Beyonce on there. I have Saweetie. I have the monument that's in Senegal right there. Because I'm from there, obviously. A little, Chanel here, Gucci, other stuff. So, yeah, so recently I got a MacBook Pro and I was like, you know what? I don't want to keep looking at the same boring, pictures or whatever. So I was like, you know what? Let me customize it a bit. So, yeah, so the first thing first is you go on Canva and you go on to create designs, or if you had a profile before, you go to all my designs and make sure you have the right size because this is the size of your screen. So the size of this is 1280 by 800. So make sure you got the right size. So it'll be like that as shown on the screen. So you open a new tab and type in the celebrity or like the kind of aesthetic that you want, which is like Beyonce or like, I don't know, whoever you choose. So I decided to let me, switch it up a bit. So I was like, let me do a blue type of theme. So here, as you can see, I'm going to choose this blue flower. So you take the picture and you save it to your computer. And then, title it whatever you want you're choosing. Sorry, got a little cold. No, I don't have the virus, just a little cold. But, yeah. So you click on the picture and then you drag it to that white background. So in this case, you can resize. You can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. And you can, put it any area you want it to be. So here's another picture I have of Sweetie. And then you can choose the sizing. And you can basically place it anywhere you want. So I'm just taking a bunch of pictures and just placing it as of right now. But I can show you towards the end. If you watch the whole video, you'll see the outcome of the collage. So I decided to go to like a darkish bluish theme, like a dark black color type of thing. So I was like, you know what, of course, you have to add Beyonce. Like, who does not love Beyonce? So I added Beyonce in here. So I was trying to find like a good picture that I liked. So I chose this one right here and then saved it again to my computer and then went back on the thing. So as you can see here, I'm titling the picture. And then you go back to uploads and then click that picture and drag it back onto the white background. So it's basically like a collage, but like I've noticed like a bunch of YouTubers, they just put it together. So you can just do it like that. As I was saying, yeah, so I added Beyonce, of course, who doesn't love Beyonce? And then I've noticed that most people like putting quotes, like inspirational quotes or things like that. But I just decided to put like some random quote on here or like some random word or whatever. So I was like, let me find one that, that will match the theme. So I choose this one that says, let your imagination run wild. And I saved it to my computer and then went back to the uploads and then dragged it right back to the background. So as you can see that little glitch right there, you can actually choose a picture that you would want and make it into a background instead of having just a blank white background. But that's your preference, honestly. I just wanted to keep it white and then just put all the bunch of pictures I wanted. So as you can see here, I put another picture, but I realized soon in the video you'll see that I delete those 3 pictures because I felt like it didn't go with the theme that I was going for. So yeah. So those are the pictures I've chosen so far. And then the best part is about resizing it. So then, yeah. So I decided to delete some of those pictures because I wasn't really feeling them. But the only difficult thing about this is like finding a bunch of pictures that you would want. For me, I was trying to find like a dark blue theme because I'm not like, I like blue, but I did not know what would really fit the theme. With the other one, beige is such a common color that you can like It goes with everything almost. So for this one, it's kind of difficult because it's not gonna look right with a bunch of shades of blue. So I wanted to go to like a dark blue and like a black theme type of color. So then I was trying to find a picture here, and I found this flower right here, and it actually went with the theme. So I saved it again and just read that ass. Anyways, so then I saved it and then I uploaded it again and then dragged it back into the frame. If you hear music in the background, that's my neighbors having a pool party. I'm sorry about that. A bunch of background noise. It's like I can't have a piece of quiet like. Anyways, so as you can see, that blue, black, and the picture of Beyonce right there, that theme goes together. And that's the kind of theme I wanted. So then I decided to delete that other theme pictures within the flowers. So, yeah. It does take a while though, so just an FYI. If you want a perfect theme, it takes a while. So this is the outcome after I did all that. I took a bunch of pictures, so you can see I have a crown there. I have another picture of Sweetie with her friend. Pretzels, because of course I had to add food in there. Another quote which says anti-social social club. And then another flower. So as you can see, this is the kind of theme I was going for. I added the other two pictures I deleted before because I was just getting over it. But yeah, this is the theme, and this is how the pictures, the collage ended up. So all you have to do is just save it to your computer, and it will upload, and you can create it as a desktop picture or whatever it's called. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you. Bye.